Hey guys, look at this beautiful bamboo house. My mom bought this from me here and it looks so beautiful. The whole garden. Welcome to my cookie dough girl channel. Now we're going through the forest. Please like and subscribe to my channel to support and see more cool videos and have fun with us. Okay, now we see a forest. Oh my god. Okay, we're going down. We're going down. Let's see where this leads to. It looks like if we're going to a maze. That's really cool. Now we're going to a forest. Okay, what you see in front of me is literally my sister. Don't see me. Oh, it really looks nice. Now we're going to another looking forest. Very nice. This is very nice. Very naturey. I like naturey stuff actually. Oh, mommy. Oh, so as I was saying, it really looks nice. So beautiful. Nature. I like nature like this. In front of me is my parents and my little older sister. But so beautiful. ¿Podemos ir a otro camino? Look. Now we go into this mystery forest while the rest go somewhere else. Really nice, really nice. I hear some cracked bass. Okay, going through the forest. Whoa, looks really nice. Like the naturey vibes. Now we're walking to somewhere more lighter, more brighter. Ooh, this tree. Let's see what it says. Oh, the sun. America Sweet Gum. Little Circle. Eastern and Southern United States. Very nice tall tree. A chair. Let's sit on it. Really nice, really nice. Very beautiful. Let's see what I say. My mom, Connie Pugh, will say everything. So we'll say everything. So we're blessed to live next door to the Van Bicks. So cool. Oh, common smoke tree. That's really cool. Let's see. Nice flowers. Now we're going through this whole forest. Nice. Okay, if we're going through more and more. Oh, look what we found. Oh, for my loving daughter, Leah Rose. Oh, sorry for her. Did she die? I wonder. Oh, look at another mystery forest. Let's go here. Which one should? There or there? Let's go to this one. That looks cool. Like. Wait, I think this is where we started. Yeah. Wait, no, never mind. Red pine. Nice. Now we're going to. Let's see. Nice area actually. Very beautiful. Let's walk through here. Okay. Let's see what this says. A kind member of Mr. Cool. This looks like. Wait, let's go to that direction. What does that say? Mountain hay. Cool. Now I'm going to this forest. Let's go through here. Oh wait, that's where I went. No, never mind. Okay. Let's go. Oh, Easter. Very cool looking. Okay, nice tree. Now let's go back where we were. Let's go to the other way we saw. Okay, going back to the road where we went. Now, let's go here. Through here. If you look, that's really cool. Very cool looking. That's just to go away. Okay, let's see what this is. There's the Indian common kind of flower, I think. Very cool. Look. I'll be going here. Let's see this one. What does this say? Read on. We're together, forget the rest of members. Oh, really cool. Drop. Keep going. Let's go and see this thing. Oh, look at this beautiful tree. Very beautiful. I like that color on it. And on it. Oh. Now we're looking through. Oh wait, I see something interesting. I'm looking. Thing toss the powder egg. Oh my god, guys! I just think I just saw a cute rabbit. Oh, she's so cute. Wait, let me show you. Where is he? Where? Wait, let me just point to the. I can't see this thing. Wait. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh wait, this Miley, stop calling me random. I don't know where the rabbit might gone. It's just this girl's always in the way. Sorry, but I'm sure this rabbit's somewhere. I just don't know where she might be. Never mind. Leave the rabbit alone. That's too lucky. As I was saying, I saw something interesting. So this cute rabbit came up. She looked very cute. But let me see this. Oh, faster. Now if we go through. Open field. Forest. Okay. Really cool. Let's see. That's the way we came back. Okay. Let's see. Let's go to another way. Okay, now we're going back. We're not going back to see more stuff. Alright, pretty stuff. Let's keep walking. Oh, look at the pink flowers again. Very beautiful. I wonder if we can see another rabbit or something. That's nice. Very interesting. So this deer garden. Howell left his Andrew Pratt to his summer tour on a fast tail and two of his hybrid birds were selected. Ooh, cool history. Oh, okay, right there. Let's go to this one though. I mean, went there. Haha. Okay, we're going. Walking through this up forest. Ya estoy viniendo, mami. Okay, now I see this nice. Ya estoy viniendo. Japanese weird tree. That's very cool. Let's see if there's more to the spots. See. Culture. Chamaseyo. Okay. Look at this nice looking tree. Scholar tree. Let's see. Cool. Now let's keep looking. Please, as I say, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for all your support. Now we're looking through trees. Ooh, looks like a nice path we can go through. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going there. Now we're going to see somewhere. Okay, I see this nice one. Nice looking. Sounds so nice. Nice little head. Let's keep looking. this looks cool, guys. That's good looking. I'm going back, guys. Let's go here. Whoa, cool. This is a cool path. Happy birthday to your aunt. Friends. Your friends. Oh. Let's get look. I want to see here. This pathway. Oh, this leads to somewhere, guys. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Now I'm going through. This will lead me back to where I was. It's a beautiful, nice way. Oh. Really beautiful. Nice. Wait, let's go back. Okay, go back. Okay. Let's go back. Back down, go back down. We're going through nice forest. How about us go up through here? Okay, cool. Okay. The black gum thing. Okay. I think it leads to the same area. Right. Yeah, I think it leads to the same area. Very cool looking. Let me see if I can find a different place. Better place. Let's go to here. Nice looking plants. Nice. Go through to here. Oh, look at these. I wonder if there's a grizzly bear here. That'll be weird. I'll be attacked. So many. Cool. I really want to keep looking here. Let's go. Okay, guys, so now I'm going more further. These all leads to different places. Cool places. I'm gonna show you the visitor center actually before we go even more further, because the rest of my friends are there, so hopefully there. Okay, going. Okay, very nice. Let's keep going. Let's go inside the visitor center. Okay, guys, now we're going. Okay, now we're going. Let's go do this on the halfway. Oh my god. Yeah. Nice looking area. Whoa, that's cool. Oh, look at halfway. This leads back there. I'm looking. Oh wow! Look at this area. Let's keep looking. Let's go over here. Oh, the sun is blinding my eyes. I love that. Just keep looking to a beautiful way. Okay, looks like very nice. Very nice. You can come by a very nature place. Whoa. Jeez, they told it. Let's go here. Okay. Now we're going to. Okay. I think now we're just going. What is this? Okay, now we're going through this little forest. Leads back. It just leads back. Oh. Japanese style. Leads back to the same way. I think let's go back right here. Let's go back to where we were. It's better. Now if I'm looking beautiful. Hi Alexia. Very nice looking place. Hey, walking. ¿Qué? Espera. Very nice, very nice. This all looks very nice. Now let's go look into here. Beautiful area. Oh, I think this leads up to a tree. But the trees, oh, I'm going up there. This leads, oh. Really cool, really cool. Let's get going down and see some beautiful areas. Oh, look, we're gonna go past, I think, a garden. We're gonna go through. Let's keep looking at it. Look at it, look at it. Very beautiful. Okay, very beautiful. Nice. Very cool looking. Okay. We're gonna see something interesting. Let's see if it is. She's like, look at that. Oh my yes, this is something interesting actually. A beautiful waterfall. Look, it looks so beautiful. Let me touch the water. Very nice. Very cool looking. So pretty. Oh, wait, we have to come through here. Keep walking. It's a, like it's like a looking like somewhere I feel like we can jog through here, but it's not might be the place to jog. I think that leads to the parking wheel, but I don't want to go there. Go in here. I really want to go down there, but let me kiss you. Really cool, really cool. Thousands of cricket disease. Very interesting. Oh my god. What was that caused by? Oh well, that's so. Whoa. Stinking. Oh, these are. Okay, so there's so many stuff here. That's so cool. Really cool looking. Flowers. I kind of went through here. Let me just go through this little path. I think that's one. Huh? Very cool looking.
I'll put food in off
We're going, let's keep going. Interesting. Very cool looking. Let's look at the cute garden over here. How cool. Little garden right here. Cool. Very very cool. Very cool looking garden actually. So beautiful. Flowers, flowers, flowers. Wait, let's go this way. Keep going. I kind of want to look in the direction, but can you stop recording? Why? You tired of it? Okay. Oh, I see. Well, guys, this is most of my video, I think. Let's see somewhere. Wait, let's see something cool. I think it might be. I know I show most of the places in places. What does this lead to? This could lead to somewhere. Cross, but if I go through here, go to there, leads to downstairs. What does this lead to? Nice place. This is the same area. Look over there, so cool. Let's go back upstairs. Very cool, very cool. Let's see more. Let's see a bit more, and then I might have to start ending this video because I feel like I explored most of this place. I'm ready to go, but you know, I keep exploring. Very nice. Area. Nice area. Cool. So yeah, guys, this might be most of the video I might be recording. But now I'm gonna go home and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. Remember to like and subscribe to Cookie Dough Girl and support me. Thank you guys. You're the best. Okay. Bye.